Good morning, everyone. This is Math Week 4, Day 2, Tuesday, 28th of April. Area. This is your to-do list for this session. Your learning objective is to find the area of rectangles and other shapes by counting squares. These are the resources needed for this session. Now, here's a warm-up. Rectilinear shapes. What do you think the word rectilinear means? Rectilinear shapes. A rectilinear shape is a shape with sides that meet at right angles, just like this. Put your thumbs up if this shape is a rectilinear shape, or thumbs down if not. Do you think it's a rectilinear shape or not? Let's find out. There is a right angle here, another right angle here, right angle, and right angle. So, sides meet at right angles. So I do think it's a rectilinear shape. Alright, I'll let you go through the rest at your own pace. Let's see here. Today's lesson is still about shapes. So let's check out this reminder. Alright, a reminder. Area is the amount of space or surface inside a given shape. We measure area in square centimeters. Remember yesterday's lesson? When you had to imagine each of these squares is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that means that the area of one little square is 1 centimeter squared. Alright? We also found out the area of this rectangle by counting all of the squares inside. What about this shape? Can you find the area of the pink shape, which is a rectilinear shape? I think we can. Isn't it just the same thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the area should be 15 centimeters squared. Got it? What about this shape? Can you find the area of this rectilinear shape? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 centimeters squared. Can you find the area of this shape? I'll let you count the squares at your own pace at home. Alright, here's some online fun. This is a quick reminder on how to use rulers. There is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to find the area of rectilinear shapes by counting squares. You should also be able to measure the area of a shape in square centimeters. Your assignment is to solve page 54 in your 4B Pupil book. When is it due? Today at 7. And I'm sure you know how to send it. Thank you.